Morning. I arrived at Kendal Caravan Motorhome Club yesterday afternoon. Woodland site on the edge of the Lake District, and well, say it's nice, very pretty. But then again, everywhere looks nice in the sunshine. And this is the Riverside walk, which is all of 20 metres away from where I'm pitched. And you hear the sound of the first waterfall coming up. So it's a bit muddy. I'm assuming this is the return leg of the journey after the trek by the Riverside, which got a bit boggy towards the end, but then you sort of cross a bridge and seemingly come back on yourself on the other side of the river, which is why I kind of assume that's where I'm heading now, back towards camp. It's kind of idyllic, isn't it? Campsite's worth it just for this walk. This is a nice way to finish off the walk. I'm assuming I can cross that bridge, by the way. The campsite is built on the grounds of an old gunpowder factory, and it's on that side of the river, and apparently a lot of the workforce lived on that side of the river. So they built a bridge. No excuse not to get to work. Looks like I was wrong about being able to cross that bridge. I do hope there's another way around. Just a bit further down the road, I found the bridge. It's 10 o'clock on a Monday morning. Normally I'd be sat at a desk. I much prefer this. camera doesn't pick up though is the amount of fly things in the air. Let's see if I can. So that's it for my 3 nights here at the Kendal Caravan Motorhome Club. It's been nice. It started off with some really beautiful weather, which makes everything better. The site, as you would expect from a caravan and motorhome club, is clean, tidy, immaculately looked after, etc, etc. The setting, it's a woodland setting and it's really nice. That's it for here. I'm in the midst of packing up. I'm going to continue putting the last few bits and bobs away, and then I'm going to set off to the next one. And on that note, bye for now.